Everyone, this is Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today I want to talk about Nio's performance on Friday. What did it do? How it did? Let's take a little look here. So it looked like it had an opening of 506, which is about 9:30 a.m. Raised up to about 5:30 at 10:30 a.m. Apparently it hit a high of 535 and a low of 501 at some point. Now, if you guys were keeping track of my last video, I was going to make an entry point into Nio, and I did a limit buy order, and I'll show you guys right now what I did on my Robinhood account. Let's go to Robinhood real quick. Okay, so here's my history here. And let's go to, as you can see, limit buy of Nio. I told you guys I was going to buy 50 shares at 508, and you can see the filled quantity at 508. So next I put a limit sell, and the limit sell was also 50 shares at 524, and you can see I went from original $254 up to $262, which is actually an $8 gain. You guys are probably saying, hey, that's not very much money, but you know what? I'm showing people how to build with a very small account, only buying, what's affordable for most people. 50 shares is not too expensive. We're in the $254 range for that one right there, which isn't too bad. And I'll tell you one thing, even with the $8, I know people that have been holding Nio for years and have not made one single penny yet. What most people don't realize is the difference between realized and unrealized gains. They've made unrealized gains pretty close to what I have. But because they held it, they never actually made any profit. If they would have sold it like I did, they would have made, in some cases, probably a couple $100,000. But even when they got up to its peak of $62, they still kept it, and they let it go all the way back down to ground zero. And they have an average cost of somewhere probably around $4 or $5. So they still have not cashed out, and they haven't made any money at all. So that everyone's saying, well, $8 is not a lot, but it's better than holding it for 3 years and not making any money at all. And you might as well at this level. You can day trade it or swing trade it. Make some money till this thing really starts to show a true uprise or surge, whatever you want to call it. And until then, if it starts to really, really get that momentum, and it shows clear signs of confirmation, then I definitely will step in and start buying in. And hopefully I get it this time before the $20 mark. That's pretty much what I waited to last time. A little on the late side, but I still made a lot of money. We're talking like hundreds of thousands of dollars between my 3 brokerage accounts. And this here is Robinhood. And I'm trading Nio in just small amounts, because I want to show people how to make money with a smaller account. Now I could have easily put $100,000 or $200,000 into this and made more, but that wasn't my point of the video. I want to show what you can do in incremental amounts and slowly but steadily start building up your capital. And I've actually found a different stock that I think is even better, which is, to make money trading, and is actually performing much better. Let me go find it real quick. Oh, Li Auto. I canceled here because Li Auto is, I put in 100 quantity, limit price at $27.15. I canceled it because it's already gone over that already. And I think it's just going to keep going up and up from what I've been seeing on the charts. And then I put a limit buy of Tesla right here. I just ordered 2 of them, 2 shares and it was filled at $537.16, and I'm actually down like it's like a few dollars. But Tesla has gone up significantly since August. Back in August, it was like $217, and I wish that I had been paying attention to it back then. I would have bought in heavily, and then I would have been at, where's it at now? 281 or something like that versus 217. That would have been crazy. I know people have made. One guy I know on YouTube's made, I think he said $58,000 just in one day on Tesla, but he has a real big entry. But the point is, you guys can be making some serious money if you give Tesla and some of these other stocks a chance. If your goal really is to make money, you should be looking at all different stocks, not just Nio. Yeah, Nio's cool. Obviously, it made me hundreds of thousands of dollars, which is awesome, but I don't know if it's doing that this time around. I really don't know. So far, it's not, but I'm waiting for it to when it is, and then I will really buy into it, step on the gas, and make some serious cash. And then I will sell at a certain point where I feel that I should, and get out before it starts going back down again. That's it for this particular video. Let me know which stocks you guys are looking at. Do any of you guys own Tesla or Li Auto? Leave that in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see me check out some other stocks, also let me know in the comment section. Make sure you click that notification bell. A lot of people forget to do that, so you'll be notified of my daily uploads. I'm going to be showing a lot of stuff here, and I have a feeling I'm really onto something here this time with Tesla. So that's it for this video. I'm here to help you guys make money, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.